Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. We are still doing our 14 days of love video series going on my channel, and I wanted to go ahead and unbox this swag bag that I received from Profiles Backstage. I did receive this in January, but that's what I love about these swag bags also, is because they give you something to do for like the next holiday or like the next season and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool, and I love all of their products. So here's a gel polish. They gave me like their jewelry gel, and then an art liner that is like pretty and sparkly and pink, and I just love it. So I'm not sure if Profiles Backstage still has the license number requirement on their website or not whenever you sign up, but you do not actually need a license number to shop on their website. So their swag bags are like $29 a month, and it's a really cool way to build up your nail art. So I basically wanted to just recreate the design that they sent on their little postcard thing with the swag bag. I really wanted to practice a lot on hearts, so this was like the perfect design where I didn't have to think of something, you know, to come up on my own, because when I do that, it gets a little crazy and there's just a lot of different designs that can go into one. So I just wanted to keep it really simple, and I wanted to use their products because I do have some of their acrylics, and I definitely love their monomer. I have kind of gotten away from using their monomer just because I was using it with Not Polish, and then Not Polish came out with their own monomer, but I will still use theirs if I go to use like iGel or even Kiara Sky and stuff like that. But you guys, I have not used their acrylic, I mean, and I don't know how long, and I'm not even gonna lie, when I first used it, I didn't know what to think of it back then. I thought to myself, I can't work with this product, you know. And then just taking different classes and practicing and just learning, you know, the liquid to powder ratio and stuff like that. It's just a perfect example of, you know, this product having a different liquid to powder ratio versus, you know, another product. I mean, and it's very, very true. So just keep that in mind, you guys. I dabble in a lot of different acrylics and products and brands and things like that, so I definitely have to be on my toes when I'm using a new product. I can say now that I've used it, I'm like, oh my god, in love. You know, I've really only shopped with Profiles Backstage. The majority is just their nail art and their glitter and things like that, and I love their acrylic brushes, but I may have to pick me up a few more of their acrylic powders because they, you know, the system just works really, really good. I will say the beads are a little more wet than what I'm used to, but that's not a problem. I just need to take my time a little longer, or just drain out my brush a little bit more when I'm picking up my bead and things like that. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and just place this acrylic as my base layer before we get into the nail art portion on the remaining nails, and I'll pop back in a few.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. That alone. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving.
All right, so I did go ahead and file off of camera because I wanted to just focus on the acrylic application and the nail art. So I'm just cleaning my practice hand with some swipe and a lint-free wipe, and I'm going in with this gorgeous color. It's called Adore Me from Profiles Backstage. It's like pink and it has these little like speckles inside of it. There's not very many speckles with just one coat, and I thought to do 2 coats, but because I do already have quite a bit of acrylic on the nail and stuff like that, I didn't want to overly do it. And not only that, I'm going to be covering up half of this nail, you know, half of these nails anyways with the nail art. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this product. I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds in the LED, and then I'm going to also apply a matte coat. I did that off of camera, but I just do that to ensure that I have a super smooth surface to draw on. So now I'm going to take the glitter gel liners that they sent and place a little bit on my little palette thing over here. I'm still using my Not Polish extra long brush, and I actually was able to purchase their fine lines brush, which I think is like similar to this one. It just has like shorter bristles. So I definitely wanted to try that one out for, you know, like smaller details and things like that. But I definitely love this brush because it really helps me get a straight line. The first nail for me is always a struggle, and it really isn't until you get to the last nail or two before, you know, I kind of get the hang of what I'm doing here. But it's okay. It's all about practice and just recognizing, you know, things that you can do to make your experience better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw these hearts. I really wanted to challenge myself, you guys. I've drawn some hearts in the past and they weren't my favorite, So I really just wanted to draw some hearts, and I love this design. And that's one thing I like about the swag bags as well. They send you the product, they send you the little postcard with pictures, inspiration pictures, and then they also upload to their YouTube channel a little tutorial on how to use some of their products, because sometimes they put like stamping plates, and they just, you know, it's literally like a, here's this product and here is how you can use it for every single swag bag that they do. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this. I hope you guys enjoyed all of these videos. I am gonna tell you at the very end, instead of using the jewelry gel that they sent, I must have forgot that they sent that, I'm not sure, but I went ahead and just outlined my heart in that gel polish color that they sent, and I just poured the pixie crystals over that. But you'll see that. I just wanted to mention I didn't use the pixie gel for whatever reason, I don't remember. But yeah, so go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next one.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Treat the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Treat the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved. Still yours if you want. You're the right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Still yours if you want. You're right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. What if I lost touch?